Hello everyone, congratulations on making it all the way to the end of our course. Now there's just a few video lectures left, but in this video lecture, I wanted to really emphasize and stress something that has helped me become a six-figure online instructor and an instructor who is doing online video creation full-time. The one thing that has really helped me, and I wanted to save this to the end because it just fits in the course this way and it kind of just fits after you've taken everything, is mentorship. And there is nothing more that has helped me get over the hurdles and really just boost my courses and sales and everything to an entirely new level than working with somebody who was doing what I was doing and was successful. So before I became a six-figure online instructor, I worked with a six-figure online instructor, and it's somebody who has earned millions of dollars teaching online. In fact, I'm still working with a few other mentors, as well as this first one, who are making millions of dollars teaching online as well. Having a mentor is your key to success. And I hope to be that mentor for you in this course. So before we wrap up and we go down to the last little conclusion bit here, in our special bonus video, make sure that you're taking the proper steps to really utilize that. I honestly am very much engaging and willing to engage with you, but you must take the necessary steps to come and seek out the mentorship. So please make sure to go all the way down to the very last video lecture titled Bonus Video Lecture and get those free materials, resources, and really engage. It's really going to help you take your business to an entirely new level. And I just wanted to stress again how much this has helped me. It has literally helped me go from 1 to 2 to 3 courses to 60 or more courses. And by the time you watch this, I might even have 100 courses. I might even have 200. So that's the power of mentorship and working with others to come to a common goal. Thanks again so much for watching this video course. I'm so excited to now engage with you and to work with you guys. And I really hope to see you in more of my video courses in the near future. Thanks again, and I'll see you very soon.